Jab.
I killed the dinosaur.
The
crocodile.
They go. Rah!
Okay.
No hitting, Gabe. You don't.
I don't know. Jab, jab. No, don't grab. Jab, jab.
Jab, jab.
That's it. Jab, jab.
Jab, 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 jab.
Right hook. Right hook. Right hook. No, that's left slap.
Fighters don't make girly noises.
I'm
There you go.
Can I pull the tail? Can I pull the tail of the crocodile?
Well, you can try, but he might bite you. Hey. Yeah, what's going on? No.
Ow!
Oh, did you hurt your head? Oh, man. Oh,
You're such a silly boy.
no, you still around?
That's how you get the big bumps on your head.
Oh, you know what? I left it in the car. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, give it a kiss. Okay, call me first thing in the morning.
Tell it, smack and say it's mean.
Perfect. Peace, man.
Tell him you're mean chair. Tell him, stare.
Hey, can I
Caleb.
Well, you gotta be careful. You have to get him when he's walking. Wait, don't hit him. You have to get, wait, you have to watch. Wait until he's not, hold on. You have to wait until he's walking. Ah! You gotta be careful. It's quick.
Watch your head,
Papa's
Caleb.
Jewels, baby. You just be, you get him.
Caleb, be careful your head, please.
Oh. Oh. Oh, you got him! You're the crocodile hunter. You got a red tail.
Careful for stingrays.
You can pull this. Yeah. Oh. Bite your bum. Oh, he's eating you. Look how red you are.
Can I pull the crocodile's tail?
Can I pull your nose?
No. I want to pull the crocodile's tail. Okay?
Yes, baby.
But okay, turn, Papa. Do it again.
That's true.
Watch your hands, monkeys.
Do it again, okay?
Okay. Hold on, Gabriel, stop hitting him. Violence is not the answer.
Okay.
You gotta go pee, go pee.
I want to pull the crocodile's tail.
I want to pull your nose.
I want to pull the crocodile's tail.
Careful when you're stepping down the stairs, Gabriel. Please, no running.
I'm sliding
Oh, I knew I get you. Oh, careful your face, baby. Oh, that hurt, eh?
I'm going to pull the crocodile's tail.
Chloe's gonna eat your ribs. I like me some young ribs. Kosher ribs. Oh yeah, get some good ribs.
I pull his tail. Don't